Hello everyone, in this video we'll solve this interesting math question x squared minus x cube is equal to 12, x is equal to what, how to solve this question. It is interesting math. So let's start. Our question is x squared minus x cube is equal to 12. Yes, at this moment we'll find out what is the value of x in this exponential equation. So in this case I can say that here is x squared minus x cube minus 12 is equal to 0. I just move on this 12 in this side, it will be negative 12. Yeah, so at this moment if I multiply both sides minus 1, so it will be minus x squared positive x cube positive 12 plus 12, plus 12 is equal to 0. Yes, so in this case I can say that here is minus is common, that's why it is here is x cube, yes, and here is minus x squared, and here is plus 12 is equal to 0. So in this case, look, positive 12, so 12 it will be 10 plus 2 it will be 12. 12 I can say it will be 6 plus 6, it is also 12, and I can say 11 plus 1 it is also 12, and again I can say that 8 and 4 it is also 12. So I use this term because of that here is cube, and I can say 8 it will be 2 to the power 3 and 4 it will be 2 to the power 2. So this time I use two formula in this equation. So I can say that here is x to the power 3 minus x squared plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, now at this moment I can say that here is x to the power 3 plus 8, and here is minus x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Now at this moment I can say that here is x to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 times, and here is minus is common, it will be x squared minus 2 squared is equal to 0. Because of that, minus plus it will be minus, and 2 squared will be 4. So we know that the identity a cube minus v cube, positive, yeah, it will be a plus b times s squared minus ab plus b squared, and we know that other formula s squared minus b squared, it will be a plus b times a minus b. I follow both formula in this case because of that here is cube and here is squared, so it will be x plus 2 times x squared minus twice x plus 4, 2 squared will be 4 minus, and it will be x plus 2 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, so look, here is this value and this value, look, this value is same. So I can say that x plus 2 in this case is common, so I take here is x plus 2 is common, so x plus 2 and this divide this, it will be x squared minus twice x plus 4, and in this case this divide this, I can say that it will be minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, so because of that minus plus it will be minus, minus minus it will be plus 2, and at this moment we'll find out here is x plus 2 times, and here is x squared minus 3x, 4 plus 2 it will be 6 is equal to 0. And at this moment I can say that here is x plus 2 is equal to 0. We'll find out two cases. We'll find out here is x is equal to minus 2. Yes, so we'll find out here is x is equal to minus 2, but other case we'll find out here is x squared minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, so at this moment I can say that here is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 6. So according to this formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4 ac over 2a. According to these rules, I can say that here is x is equal to minus b is minus 3 plus minus square root b square, so minus 3 whole square minus 4 ac, c is 6 over 2a. Then in this case we'll find out here is x is equal to positive 3 plus minus square root 9 minus 24 over 2. So we'll find out here is x is equal to 3 plus minus square root minus 15 over 2. minus 15, 24 minus 9, it will be minus 15. Then we'll find out here is x is equal to 3 plus minus square root 15I over 2. This is our imaginary part and this is our real part, x is equal to 2. Let's check out this is our final answer. This is our final answer. At this moment we will check out our question. This question is x to the power 2 minus x to the power 3 is equal to 12. Okay, x to the power 2 minus x cube is equal to 12. But remember that we'll find out x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole to the power 3 is equal to 12. Yes. So I can see that it will be 4, and minus 2 whole to the power 3, it will be minus 8 is equal to 12. So at this moment I can see that it will be 4 plus 8 minus it will be plus is equal to 12. So I can see that 12 is equal to 12. So x is equal to minus 2. This is our right answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.